When are you coming back?
I'll be back on Sunday.
Are you allergic to anything?
Not really.
How soon can you pay me back?
I can pay you back tomorrow.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I'm a bit thirsty.
What do you want to eat?
Some snacks.
Do you like Indian food?
I love Indian food.
Do you drive a car?
No, I don't.
Are you sick?
Yeah, I have a slight cold.
When are you leaving?
I am leaving on Sunday.
What time are you leaving?
I am leaving at 6 o'clock.
Where are your friends?
They went to the restaurant.
Are there a lot of people there?
No, only 9.
Is it going to rain today?
No, I don't think so.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
Are you afraid?
No, I am not afraid of anything.
Are you busy at the moment?
I am not.
Would you like to come with us?
Yeah, that would be great.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and follow our page, if you haven't yet. If you like our content, you can send us a super thanks, and also don't forget to share. Thanks, bye.